Hey everybody, I'm going to do a video series on how to save money on your insurance. I thought this would be very powerful in light of what's going on right now. The price of insurance has been going through the roof, and what they want to pay for claims has been going down lower and lower. And this has become very evident with the recent hurricanes in the south. So this is the first video in a series of videos on how to save money on your insurance. So the first thing I want you to understand is that there's a direct relationship between your deductible and your premium. Your premium is what you pay for insurance. When I talk to the high school driver's ed classes, I tell them this all the time. It's much like a teeter-totter. If one of them goes up, the other one goes down. If the other one goes up, the other one goes down. What that means is if you're looking to save money on your insurance, you can raise your deductible. By raising your deductible as high as possible, you're going to save or lower that insurance premium by bringing your deductible up. Here's a couple of rules of thumb for your deductible. One, you have to have at least the amount of that deductible in the bank. So if you're going to have a $2,000 deductible, then you need to have $2,000 in the bank. But like I tell the driver's ed class students, it's really powerful because now you got your money making money. So not only are you earning interest on $2,000, but you've also got $2,000 in a deductible, which has raised or lowered your insurance premium. And that $2,000 deductible is going to lower your insurance premium for the rest of your life. Here's the second rule of thumb for your deductible. If you have a $2,000 deductible or a $1,000 deductible, you want to have at least 1.5 times that amount really in the bank. So if you have a $2,000 deductible, ideally you want to have $3,000 in the bank. If you have $3,000 in the bank, then you have the ability to repair a claim that might be, say, $200 or $2,400. If you got a $2,400 claim, you really don't want to turn it into the insurance. Let them pay you $400, and then you have to pay $2,000 for your deductible. They're going to raise your rates, and the rate increase is going to be more than the $400 that you paid. So you really want to have 1.5 times your deductible, but when you raise that deductible, it's going to lower your premium for the rest of your life. Very, very powerful. This is the first step you can take to save money on your car insurance, and I'm going to have a bunch more as well. See you soon.